Well, well, well. It looks like the bank is at it again. This time, they're going after the way authorized user trade lines are affecting people's accounts. If you guys haven't noticed, authorized user trade lines have been posting on people's accounts, but there's no score increase. What gives? I mean, is the party over? I mean, are we done? Lucky for you guys, though, you're subscribed to my channel, and I have a no man or woman left behind attitude. So you know, I'm going to tell you how to get around this crap. Stay tuned. And we're back. All right, before I start this video, I want to let you guys know, unfortunately, I am no longer doing one-on-one consultations. I know. I mean, a lot of people loved them and got a lot of information out of them. I just personally don't have enough time in the day to do them. I'm out there, trying to do research so I could bring you guys the content in my videos. And because of all the people want one-on-ones, it just takes too much of my time. I would never be able to make videos. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm still going to be doing the workshops. So if you're interested in those, you could reach out to me on Skype. I'll hook you up with the workshop. I got 2 of them, in case you didn't know. One's to create a CPN, the CPN creation workshop. The other one is the CPN public records workshop. They're basically, that one's a continuation. So this one, the first workshop will show you how to make a CPN, and then the other one will show you how to build the CPN up so you can get your primaries, your first primaries. Those 2 are still available. Reach out to me on Skype, and I'll send them your way. So now that that's out of the way, I'm going to let you guys know what the dealio is going on right now with authorized user trade lines not giving score increases anymore. For the past couple months, I've been noticing that when people are added to authorized user trade line accounts, the line will post on the person's credit, but there's no score increase. And people are like, what's going on? Is the party over? What gives? I'm going to let you know what's going on right now. The banks and the credit bureaus, they don't like the credit repair industry. They don't like authorized user trade lines. They sure as hell don't like people making a business out of selling authorized user trade lines. But because of regulatory requirements and things like that, they can't just, stop it. They can't just do that. But what they can do is try to make things harder, and that's what they're doing. What has changed now is that if you have if you have a primary account and you're not using it, you're just letting the balance stay at 0, that account becomes dormant. And if that account becomes dormant, if you add someone as an authorized user to this card, it'll show up, but there'll be no score increase. Now, the way to get around this is you've got to have activity on this card. You've got to have, charge a little bit of something, pay it off. And you need a lot of activity. Well, not really a lot. Just, I would say once per month, you got to have something charged on this account and then have it be paid. What I would suggest doing, if you have a trade line company or if you have trade lines that you don't want to get shut down or you still want to be able to use as authorized user trade lines, you need to make sure that those cards are active monthly. Because what's happening is they're just simply not giving a score increase, which is definitely making things a lot harder for people in this industry. So that's the secret. That's how you get around it. I would suggest, signing up for some charity, some cheap thing, or sign up for anything that's a monthly bill and then just have it on auto pay. And that's another thing that you guys need to know as far as if you're trying to build your credit. Having cards at 0, I mean, that's good. It's better than nothing. But the optimal thing is to show a payment history, showing that you're using the card and paying it every month. That actually will affect your score the most. Now, I know a lot of people, it's like if they have a lot of accounts or, they're not trying to use their credit card, they're scared they're going to run it up or what have you. I know they like to keep a 0 balance. And that's definitely understandable. But you got to remember, the banks are in the business to make money. They're not in the business to help you out. They're in the business to make money. And it behooves them. They make money when you make a purchase. So they want to encourage people to make purchases. They don't want you getting these cards to sell. They don't want you getting these cards to get the bonuses and things that they offer to get you in the door. They want you to use this card because the more you use the card, the more money they're going to make. Also, as far as authorized users are concerned, the banks make money when people add people as an authorized user and then they use the card. Well, if you're just adding people to boost their credit and you're not really giving them access to the card, the bank's not going to make any money. So not only do they not like the fact that the person's getting a boost and it's pretty much like a fake boost, they're not making any money. It's costing them money because they got to mail out the card. They've got to have the manpower to get the person added and all that kind of stuff, the accounting, and it costs money to report to the bureaus. So they don't like that. So what they're trying to do is stop it. So what you need to do, like I said, is you got to use those cards now, especially Citibank and Barclay. Those are the two biggest culprits as far as this is concerned. I'm sure the other ones are going to follow suit if they haven't already. So like I said again, you got to use the cards. You can't keep them at zero. Sorry guys, I know they're making it harder, but at least there's a way around it. That's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and get back to work. I got so much stuff I'm working on. Oh my God. I got big plans for this channel. The Crusader is going to be powering up for this year. Just so you guys know, yesterday was the year anniversary of this channel. Now, it's not the year anniversary of my first video though. My first video was done in February, so I'm going to be doing some sort of a special event for that. But just so you know, it's been 1 year. This channel has been great. You guys have been great. I've got 4,000 subscribers now. Really happy about that. It's only going to get better. So you guys better stick around. As always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.